Hello, my dear students of grade 9. It is my second period for you in Geography, Chapter 1, Size and Location of India. I have provided you various important informations about India and an important information for you. This chapter was deleted in previous session 2019-20. But I think there are a number of important information related to this chapter, and you should know about these various various facts about our country. I want to repeat some important points that have been taught in previous days. So India is the second largest country in the world on the behalf of its population, but it is the seventh largest country in the world on the behalf of its area. Its latitudinal and longitudinal extension is 8 degree 4 latitude and 37 degree 6 latitude, and longitude 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east longitude. This is the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. The total overall latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India is about 30 degree. There is a time lag of 2 hours in the local time between Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. In the local time. And here is an important question. Why is there a time lag of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? You know very well that Arunachal Pradesh is located on easternmost longitude, that is 97 degree 25 east. But Gujarat is located on 68 degree 7 east. Very crucial points. Carefully look at the board. 97 degree 25 east Arunachal Pradesh and 68 degree 7 east Gujarat. There is difference of about 30 degrees. Difference has been crossed of 29 degree, so it is considered as differences about 30 degree. Dear students, as you know that the earth rotates from west to east. Earth rotates from west to east, and it takes 4 minutes to cross one longitude to another. What is the overall total latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India? 30 degree. And the earth takes 4 minutes to cross one longitude to another. That is why 30 multiply 4 is equal to 120 minutes is equal or 2 hours. I prove it. Why is a time lag of 2 hours between Arunachal and Gujarat in their local times? All these topics have been taught in previous days, but This is very important and I want to repeat them. Now, the topics of today is India and the world. India and the world. Dear students, you know that India is situated in Southeast Asia. India is a Southeast Asian country and it has a central location. It has a central location between the East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. Okay. The route of Indian Ocean connect India to the western and eastern countries of the world. So, India occupies a great location for trading purpose and to establish other relationships between different countries. Dear students, India is surrounded by different countries. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, China and Nepal. Sri Lanka and Maldives are two island neighboring countries of India. Sri Lanka and Maldives are two neighboring island countries of India. Afghanistan is located in south. Pakistan southwest, northwest. Afghanistan is located in the northwest of India. Pakistan is also located in northwest of India. Nepal is located in the northern side of India. China, Bhutan, Myanmar, these countries are located in the northeast of India. And Sri Lanka and Maldives are located in the south and southwest of India. These are the neighboring countries of India. And South Asian continent in which India is located occupies a great importance for these countries, and it gives a central location of the eastern and western countries. Thank you very much.